अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। रब्बी शरह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। My dear students, I hope all of you are fine. First of all, congratulations on your big achievement in annual exams. Your result depends on resilience in tough situation. As all of us are well aware of third wave of pandemic, so we have to use this medium of connection again. We need your same serious attitude to meet the new challenges accordingly until this pandemic gets settled. I'm your mathematics teacher and we are going to start from unit number 1, that is about the matrices and determinants. So first of all, you should know what are the matrices. Basically, matrices is a plural word and the singular is matrix. So what are the matrix? Students, you are well familiar about the real numbers. Like suppose I am having these different real numbers -2, 1, 0, 7, 8 and 9. Students, if I arrange these real numbers in a rectangular arrangement and then enclosed within the brackets like this, you can see I have arranged the real numbers in a rectangular arrangement and then enclosed within the bracket. This is called as the matrix. Means matrix is the collection of or arrangement of real numbers then enclosed within the bracket. It is called as the matrix. And matrices are denoted by capital alphabet. Matrices are denoted by capital alphabet. Now students, in the matrix, whatever the numbers are there, they are called as the entries. Means these numbers will be called as the entries of this matrix. Now we are having horizontal entries and vertical entries like this. This is horizontal and this one will be the vertical. So all the entries present in the horizontal line, they will make a row. This will be called as the row number 1. Similarly, this will be called as the row number 2. And all the vertical entries like this is called as column number 1, column number 2 and column number 3. So what we have learned means all the horizontal entries will make the row and all the vertical entries will make the column. Here is the next topic, that is order of matrix. Order of the matrix is by checking the rows and column. Like number of rows and number of columns specifies the order of matrix. Like we will write row by column. This is called as the order of the matrix. In this matrix A, how many rows are there? 1 and 2. So this is 2 by, and how many columns are there? 1, 2 and 3. So order of this matrix will be 2 by 3. Means whenever you have to find the order of the matrix, firstly you have to check how many rows and columns are there in that matrix. Like in this matrix, you can see 2 rows are there and 3 columns are there. So your order will be 2 by 3. Always remember, first row will be there, then column will be there. So 2 by 3 will be the order of this matrix. So question number 1 is about find the order of the matrix. You can find the order of the matrix with the help of this example. Like if I am giving one more example, like B is equals to 1, having entry single 1. So what will be the order of this matrix? Yes, only one row is there and only one column here. So order of this B will be 1 by 1. Suppose I am having another example 2, 3, 1. So what will be the order of this matrix? How many rows are there? 1, 2 and 3 and column is only 1. So order will be 3 by 1. I hope you can do question number 1. Now next we are going to discuss be satisfied. Number one, their order should be same. And what is the order? That is row by column. And number two condition is corresponding entries should be same. Now we will discuss what are the corresponding entries. Suppose we are having these two matrices 2, -3, 1, 8, and here is matrix 1, 0, 4, 3. We have to check the corresponding entries. Look in the first row and the first column, the entry is 2. In the first row and the first column, the entry is corresponding to this entry. Similarly, this -3 is in the first row and second column. So corresponding entry will be the entry which is present in column of this matrix. In this way, 1 is corresponding to 4 and 8 is corresponding to 3. Now students, we will check the equal matrices. I have told you for equal matrices, your condition is order should be same, and number two condition is their corresponding entries should be same. So first of all, we will check the order of these two matrices. In this matrix, you can see 2 rows are there and 2 columns are there. So order is 2 by 2. And now what is the order of this matrix? Again 2 by 2. So number one condition is satisfied, their order is same. Now we will check the second condition, that is corresponding entries should be same. Okay, first this is 2. So what is the corresponding entry of this matrix? That is 1 plus 1 and it is equals to 2. So 2 is equals to 2. Next 4 minus 1 which is equals to 3. These two are also equal. Second 9 plus 1 is equals to 10 and here it is 11 minus 1. It is also equals to 10. 3 minus 4 minus 1 and 5 minus 6 minus 1. So both conditions are satisfied. We can say that these two matrices are equal. Okay student, now this is question number 2. Which of the following matrices we have to select the equal matrices, and you know for the equal matrices their order should be same and their corresponding entries should be same. So first of all, we will select the matrices which are having the same order. Like this is matrix A having order 1 by 1. So the next matrix which is having order 1 by 1 is this C is having 1 by 1 order. So we can say that A and C are equal because you can see their corresponding entries are also same. This is 3, this is 5 minus 2, also 3. Their order and their corresponding entries both are same. So these two matrices are equal. Now we will check for the matrix B. It is having order 1 by 2. This matrix and this is also having order 1 by 2. And this I is also having order 1 by 2. But now we have to select that matrix which is having same corresponding entries. Now you can see this is first entry is 3 and second one is 5, but in D it is not same. You same. This is 3 plus 2 which is equals to 5 and first entry is 3. So we can write B equals to I, not equals to D. We cannot write B equals to D or I equals to D because D is having different corresponding entries. Similarly, next E matrix is there. E matrix is having order 2 by 2. We will select the matrices which are having order 2 by 2. That is E, H and J. Now we will check their corresponding entries for writing them equal. So first entry is 4, here it is also 4, and in J it is also 4, 2 plus 2 4. Second one is 0, 0 and 2 minus 2 0. Third one 6, 6 and 2 plus 4 6. Here it is 2, 2 and 2 plus 0 2. So we can also write E clear? Okay, the next matrix is F having order 2 by 1 and this is G having order 2 by 1. Now we will check their corresponding entries. This is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, 6, 3 plus 3 6. So we can write F equals to G. Students, this is the last question of your exercise. Find A, B, C and D which satisfy the following matrix equation. First of all, what is matrix equation? Students, whenever you are having the sign of equality between the two matrices, then it is called as the matrix equation. Students, as it is equality between the two matrices, it means these two matrices are equal, and if they are equal, their corresponding entries are equal and their order is same. So with the help of this, we will find the B, C and D. As we know, they are equal, their corresponding sides will be their corresponding entries will be equal. So we can write A plus C equals to 0. This will be equation number 1. And A will be equals to, yes, it will be equals to minus 7. This is and this is C minus 1, which will be equals to 3. That will be equation number 3. And last one, 4D minus 6 equals to 2D. That will be equation number 4. Now students, we will select that equation first, in which there is only one variable, like this. From 3 you can see there is only one variable, C. So C minus 1 equals to 3. So C will be equals to 3 plus 1, 4. Now from equation 4, we can find the value of D. 4D and 2D, it will become minus 2D on this side, and this is minus 6 on the other side, it will be plus 6. So 4D minus 2D equals to 2D, and 2D equals to 6. So D equals to 6 by 2, that is equals to 3. Clear? Okay, now we have to find value of A. From equation number 1, this is A plus C equals to 0, and we are having the value of C. So we can put the value of C in this. A plus 4 equals to 0. So A will become minus 4. Now the last equation, equation number 2. It is A plus 2B equals to minus 7, and we are having the value of A. So it will become minus 4 plus 2 equals to minus 7. 2B will be equals to minus 7. This is minus 4. It will become plus 4. So 2B equals to minus 3, and B will be equals to minus 3 by 2. Now students, we have completed this exercise. You have to do the practice of this question, and you have to learn the definitions as well, because of objective. Your objective can be from the definitions. Wish you best of luck. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.